Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and today's our topic is calculating time in function. In this we have start time and end time, and after that we will work hours and then calculate total number of hours. Here you can see, and here you can see first which is start time, and after that we will get end time, and in this we will get the total number of difference or total number of difference in hours. For suppose if I change the number of hours or the end time, so you can change or you can see the difference in the worked hours. And suppose if I change here, then you can see the difference. And if I just change this one, so you can see the change in the total number of hours. This is what we will learn today. Let's start our example. First we just zoom in so that it will be visible and helpful for you. Now just select the cells and mail and merge it. Now I just write here calculating time in function. Now select two cells and merge it. We can drag it so the same will apply here, and drag to the left or drag to the right. Now we have two columns, we need another one, so I just drag it, and again I just drag the same thing so that we don't need to put mail merge for every cell. Now write start time and here end time. Now in last worked hours. Now I write here the, but first I just make it more presentable by underlines and then border and then thick border, then select the heading and make it Algerian so that it will be more presentable. Now just make it, and here I just select the color which will be more attractive here, and now I just make it the headings bold and again color here. Now I need to write here start time, so I just write here AM, then we just again write here start time for it, and here I just write the time for here last 10:15 p.m. and here for end time we have 4:30 a.m. then 1:30 p.m. and 8:03 a.m. and last what I can write 1:02 a.m. Now I just select another cell for the total number of hours and just make it presentable by thick border. And here what we have to select, we just need to make the total number of work hours, and we just use here the formula which is if function bracket open. Now what we have to do, it says logical test, so we have the D5 and greater than B5, means if D5 greater than B5 then comma D5 minus B5, else if not then 1 plus, again we use D5 minus B5. This is the formula, like first D5 greater than B5, if not then we can use here 1 plus D5 minus B1 and then press and again use the same and drag it down. So you can see here it has given it in numbers, but what we want in time. So format cell, and you can see here in time function, so make it this time and then okay. So you will get the difference in time. Now we want the total number of hours. So what we use sum function, and sum function is very simple, like equals to assume sum bracket open. Now we just select all the cells and then close the bracket, so we will get this value as well. Now we just test it by creating some difference, like if I just create difference here for 3, so you will get the difference here. This is you will get, and this is how we have complete our example. Thank you.